Something that every client at Plevin and Gallucci should expect is that the ideals that were created in 1912 by my great-grandfather is that no matter what, under all circumstances, the client will always come first. When a jury walks out of the courtroom to deliberate on one of our cases, I will always ask my client what their impression was and are they satisfied. So long as the answers to that question are yes, I'm confident that my client got proper treatment in the civil justice system. The law firm in Plevin and Gallucci was born out of a practice that was originally started in 1971. At the time, my father, Frank Gallucci Jr., was working for the Cuyahoga County Prosecutor's Office. And back in that era, you were allowed to have a practice of your own. At the time, my father, Frank Gallucci Jr., worked at Gallucci's. It was not uncommon for Italian immigrants to come into the store. They had sustained injuries and they had nowhere to turn. As time went on, he created a desk in the back warehouse out of cases of tomatoes, and one by one began to represent these people. The business grew and ultimately got to the point that he stepped out and had his own practice with regards to workers' compensation and personal injury and ultimately medical malpractice. In 1996, I became involved. Leon Plevin became involved in the firm in 2007 when he joined me, and we formally founded Plevin and Gallucci. Plevin and Gallucci is an Ohio-based firm that handles specifically cases on behalf of plaintiffs, whether it's somebody who's a victim of medical malpractice, been involved in a motor vehicle accident, or injured on the job, whether for workers' compensation or intentional tort coverage. Before the Ohio Bureau of Workers' Compensation, Industrial Commission, we practice in all the courts throughout the state of Ohio, all the appellate courts, as well as the Supreme Court. Plevin and Gallucci fits into a unique category in that we're not a small outfit. We have the ability to see any case through to any level. We take great pride to make sure we understand our clients' needs. We adopt an individual plan for each and every case that we move forward from start to finish. Two different clients can come in with the same exact case, and we would take a different approach based on that client, what their specific needs, goals, and objectives are to make sure that we're maximizing the outcome for them in all facets. From top to bottom, I will put our team against any other, and we will prevail. The people here care about their clients. As a team, we feel vested in the outcome, and we want to make sure that the people who have come to our office and retained us have the best result possible based on the efforts of everybody at Plevin and Gallucci.